Yo guys, this is actually like 90 seconds into a 5-minute trade on the Aussie USD. Alright, and this is what I'm looking at. This is my indicator set. I saw an extremely good, these markers are just from just now. Let me reset my charts a little bit and put these things back on so you guys can see what I exactly make out of this trade, which is rocketing right now. And my philosophy, I don't like to give trades too much time. I don't just give it enough time. Here's a trend line that I draw parallel with the moving average over here. I believe that when it hits where it's parallel previously, or goes past a parallel point. So I'm just gonna show you like that. Okay, so this is actually see, how this works is that I put this in here. All right, it's parallel, and I move it away until it touches one of the candle wicks. All right, as soon as it touches or goes past it, I'm into that trade. I saw this trade actually a little bit late, so at the point of time when I went in around here. Expiry time, okay, this one has been going down for like wait a second, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. But because I'm 2 minutes late on this one, I want to give it less time. And as of now, I am what do you call that? I am like 3 minutes into this trade, 2 minutes left. Already winning by a huge margin. I'm gonna mark my entry point on this one right here. Doc says hello. So in 2 minutes, and by the way, okay, this one is right now above the 200 moving average. It looks good from various perspectives, and I teach people in Binary Lab how to do this on all my daily webinars. And yes, that's right, I do live webinars daily. We just had a lot of great trades on webinar just before this one, and you guys will get to see that in a moment. Some of the earlier trades I made. I just want to show you the various things, multiple divergences, and on all accounts, this is a stunning trade setup. That we knew for a fact that it's just going to take off. Yeah, Svetlana, thank you for that. And today's stuff was great. Okay, so this was like a morning ago. I did the last part. This when the market got a little bit choppy, but on the initial webinar bit, you can see this is what we did on the webinar, starting out at about 8:51 in my time, and actually a little bit before that. This one, okay, so this is where so this was the AM session, and then now this is the PM session. This is how we did it. And so starting out from here, as you can see, had a very good win-loss ratio. Towards the end, it got a little bit choppy. I decided to change some strategies, finish it with a call, margin go a little bit. Usually I don't like to do that, but oh well, when you have to do it, you have to do it. This week's market has been pretty good, and this trade as well is going out according to plan really nicely as well. Has it finished yet? I think it's finished, right? Is it finished? Yeah, it's finished. Yeah, it's finished. So as you can see, here is a trade. It's been taken at 2300, and 45 seconds ago, this trade has finished in the money. Hey there, Roy. And this one, this finish, as you can see, was on the 38.2% retrace, and now it's going for the 50%. What you see popping up on my screen, not the Skype notifications, but the Telegram notifications, these ones, all right, these ones, that's folks on my channel. These are the people that are thanking me for the early webinar that I gave, where we had 165 people on that webinar. And and you can see the kind of testimonies that people have been giving. So let's just check this out. I mean, this is the Q&A that goes on in all of the webinars. And yeah, if you want to become a a member of the Binary Lab, I haven't put the link in. If you're watching this on my Facebook page, just scroll to the top, click the sign up button, and that'll get you able to become a member of the Binary Lab. And yeah, these are some of the earlier trades, and scroll on to the end. People are talking about sprees. I think they're talking about the pound USD trades. Let's have a look at what they're doing. So, wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! So there you have it. The people in Binary Lab were discussing about how to take these trades, and this is a ridiculous set of good trades using the trend follow strategy. Okay, so using the trend follow strategy that we do, they would actually be taking entries at this cross. Okay, there's one support, we have a support this here, and we have support here as well. And I think the strongest one is breaking through here, and this is solid gold mine. That would be a series of, oh my goodness. By the way, I want to shout out to you guys: Dylan, Lurden, Ryan, Simon, Scott, Jeff. That is awesome stuff that you pointed out. String of awesome trades right there, and I love it that my members are independent, able to pick out awesome trades like this. Not to mention that awesome 5-minute trade that we placed at the beginning of this video. You can check out the trade earlier on, and that's that's all the stuff. So yeah, if Abdul Hamid, if you want to join, just click on the link on the sign up link on my Binary Lab page. Just gonna click on that. Just check that it's on the right ones right here. Okay, this is my personal profile. Take note, this is my personal profile. There are fakes out there, and this is my real Facebook profile. And okay, this freaking spammer is on my channel trying to get stuff. Nope, he's banned. Seriously, some idiot is talking about 99% trading. BS. Yeah, so I want to draw your attention. There's a lot of scammers that try to leech people from the comments on my page. Just pay no attention to that. This is the sign up button, and that's where you can get into the community. This is where you can get into a community of people that actually support you in the trading. Okay, I'm here live on the webinars every single day of the week. Some days I even do 2 webinars a day, and I'm there to support you guys. And not just that, I have a hired staff that's on payroll. So I do have like 6-7 staff that do different jobs. Alright, so I have a team that's ready to support you, to answer your questions, point you in the right direction. And sometimes even when you join Brokers through the Binary Lab, let's say if you feel that in some ways you're getting bullied as well, I mean, we've helped multiple traders as well. It's not that we can solve every single problem, but we are able to help in some degree as well. Okay, so let's say if someone has some issues speaking to the broker's having some trouble, taking too long to verify, we're able to push them as well. So there's a lot of support that we can actually offer. And I want to mention this, like I said, because there's a lot of people trying to leech people from my page into other scammy stuff and try to trick you into depositing 2K or 5K into some stupid robot system, which is really a Western Union transfer where they try to rip you off. So here in Binary Lab, and you can see it from the people that are inside here itself. You can see about from the people who are in the trades, and check this out. They're all here making trades. Look at that. They're talking about real trading. This is the community of people that will support you, not people that try to leech you from my page. But if you're looking at this right now and you're looking for a place to sign up, go ahead and sign up at the top of this page on the button right there. I want to give you an inside peek on Binary Lab community. Hey there, Corey. It's great to hear from you. It's been a while since we've met. It's been like what, 2 years? So this is okay. My account by the way, I started with like 1,000 on this one, and then I redeposited to make it 10,000 because honestly I found that 1,000 is really hard to trade for this broker. Okay, but by the way, if you guys want to try a different one, try we have a lot of brokers available for joining. Binary Mate is another one that's very popular, guys, in the US right now. So let's say when you click on that button to join, I will actually show you. Okay, first I'll show you my group. But next thing I'll show you as well. Let's open the spare tab. Okay, so this is a fast forward to the page with the various broker options for joining Binary Lab. When you click the sign up button, you get to see this one and this one. You gotta pay you can either join through us and get it free, and join a broker through us and get it free, or pay a fee. This one is getting a lot of popularity for people in the US, Canada right now because it accepts people just about everywhere. Minimum trade size 1, and let's say I use 24 option. This one I use. This is my account, the one you're looking at. That I told you, like with 24 option, if you're starting, honestly speaking, although they accept $250, but if you want to be able to trade with a variety of methods, then you definitely need to start bigger. Like a realistic starting size would be anything from 1,500 and above. Okay, that's a realistic starting size. Of course, you can go against the recommendations that I've laid out for you that says 500. And the broker says 250. You can go against those recommendations, but that's to your own peril. I don't recommend that. Okay, we have regular brokers as well. Check out these stuff, and you can check them all out on the sign up page. So go through that, and in the meantime, I just want to go through some of the questions here as well. So yeah, all right. So Augustus, the Anderson dude, is a freaking scammer. Just want to warn you guys, there's a lot of scammers on my page. There was a guy who mentioned on my making 25 times profit within 3 days. It's technically impossible. Okay, I've had guys who flip their accounts by 5 times within 3 days. 25 times in 3 days? It's not gonna happen. Anyway, more about the community. We just crossed 3,200 people. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's a whole new members guide. Once you get into the Binary Lab, you're going to have access to this startup guide. Oh yeah, and check this out. This is a testimony. I think this just came in. I didn't even see it previously. So Simon says, again, so I think he had previous testimonies. This is the 3rd month in a row that successfully built up profit and requested withdrawal. This month I tried something different, and that was trade on 2 accounts, doubling my profit. I started $250 in each broker and managed to build both accounts up to $1,000 each. I requested twice of $500 withdrawals and will leave $500 in each account for next month's build up. Screenshot included for those who need it. I believe I have a good grasp on the strategy, and also believe my money management system is good, which allows me to build a nice profit by only risking 3 to 5% of my account on every trade. And by the way, Simon trades reversal trades just like I do. Alright, remember that trade I was showing you guys on the Aussie USD in the beginning of this video? He does a lot of reversal trades just like that. Okay, and let's come back to this one. My emotions are slowly becoming under control. I would be lying if I said I didn't have a few bad days of chasing and huge money gain that risk more than my money management rules allowed. I'll finish up by saying that even though I'm not pulling in 10, 100, or even 1 million, I'm happy with the progress, and I believe that at the end of April next year, I'll say that I'm a true part-time trader. Actually, I think you should correct that. It should be true full-time trader. So here are his withdrawal requests on his broker, and these are okay. I think he's blacked out some of these details, but I mean, good job, stuff, and good job, Simon, for all that you're doing. And here's another member of mine that's been around for quite some time. He's just posting his video of making a lot of winning trades. He's really aggressive. You can check all these out, replays as well. Check those out in the group. And Fernando again saying that no games here, yet another successful withdrawal. Replays from previous session. I think I have another Julian questions where people talk about stuff, and other members kind of. Oh, we have people doing self-study as well. Okay, study on some of the methods that we do. Members posting their screenshots for critiques and also to inspire other people. And yeah, the list goes on and on. I mean, just go check it out. There's a lot of stuff here, you know, and I schedules up every single Monday. So if you want to get into Binary Labs, click on the button at the top of the page, and I'll see you on the inside. Just checking out some of the questions here as well. Just to join. Alright, just checking out some of the questions. Okay, Tom says, I just joined Binary Lab. Do you have staff who can help me to understand basic graph? Okay, if you've joined Binary Lab, you need to look inside of the new members guide. All the information that you want is there. Okay, I have links to a file. Okay, that you will be able to get. You'll be able to get guides of. In fact, I have a lot of guides as well. But I think my admin has done a lot to put them into a PowerPoint where you have all the information you need, how to read charts and stuff. I've done many tutorials about charts. You can sign up, okay, Corey, with that broker that I mentioned, Binary Mate. You can sign up for like, over here to join us with Binary Mate, you need to put in like 500. The minimum is 250, but you can, but for the minimum is 250, but our minimum with them is a slightly different agreement. For 500, you can get in with us, and you can do $1 trades. At the same time, I think in Canada, okay, Binary Online is no longer accepting Canada. I have another one that accepts folks in Canada. It's coming out in the next 1-2 days. Okay. Ryan, if you already have an account on 24 option, you can either pay a fee to join us, to join Binary Lab, or you can open a different broker through us. Okay. What I think Optech, I haven't any experience, haven't heard anything good or bad of them. So Corey, yeah, stock pair is like 10. Binary Mate's probably your best bet, really, honestly speaking. Like you can really scale with that $1. I always recommend newbies to scale between like 0.3% all the way up to like 10%. Yeah, Leroy, you got the answer. Binary Mate. IQ option is not a good broker. Their live and demo works differently, and also the expiry time is not favorable to many strategies. 24 option doesn't accept US clients, but we do have other brokers that do accept. Okay, if you look at my page, if you see anyone that, if it doesn't say it doesn't accept USA, that means it does accept USA. So currently, like these three, they accept people in the USA. All right, if there are any, we're pretty much done here, and the meat of this video is really at the beginning. So if check that out. Watch out the trade that I did where I actually made $770 in under 5 minutes live on this video. You can check that out. This is the trade that was being done. $1,000 done for $1,770 within 5 minutes. Okay, so that was in the beginning of the video. I talked about the trade setup and everything. If you want trade setups like that, just join the Binary Lab. I do webinars like every single day of the week, like twice a day on some days. Every webinar is 60 to 90 minutes. On top of that, you also get access to my Facebook group. You get to download my indicators, the ones that you see right over here, which I use. All right, and you also get to access my trading group, even from a mobile app too. So it's really, really handy. If you want to make a breakthrough in binary trading, this is what you need to do. Alright, so click that button. There's a sign up button at the top of the page. And if you're watching a replay video of this, I will be updating the relevant links into the video description so that you can click them as well. And if there are any other questions, go ahead and comment below, and I will be getting to you in the next couple of hours or the next day when I see them. Goodbye for now. Yeah, study groups for newbies. I just showed you that. One of our guys was starting a little study group. Inside of the Facebook group, you can see a notice. Look out for, I think it's like Studio FX, something like that. One of the dudes, he's having a study group. So check out for that. Tom, there is. So Ryan, yeah, I was saying that you can't use an existing account with us unless you want to pay a fee to join. So anyway, just go through the page. It's quite clear cut. I'll type you a page right after ending this video, and everyone, bye for now. Have a good weekend.